Good evening to all of you, and first of all, I would like to congratulate to all the dignitaries, attendees, research scholars, educational delegates, professors, and students from all over the India for attending this one of the best online webinar on ICT technology in education, organized by PVDT College of Education for Women at Mumbai. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Honorable Principal Dr. Meena Kute ma'am, Dr. Sanjay Shedmarke, the convener of this online webinar, Mrs. Pratibha, and all the organizing member of this webinar. I am Dr. Jay Bagul, Head of Department of English, Vidya Vikas Mandal's Arts and Commerce College, Akkalkuwa District, Nandurbar, Maharashtra. I have chosen the topic for this wonderful webinar is Best Presentation Making Software Tools for Creating Extraordinary Presentation. Definitions of ICT. ICT is an umbrella term that include any communication device or application, radio, television, cellular phones, computer and network hardware and software, satellite system and so on, as well as the various services and application associated with them such as video conferencing and distance. ICT tools. Information communication technology tools are digital infrastructures such as computer, laptop, desktop, data projectors, software program, printers, scanner and interactive teaching boxes. Exploring technological knowledge of office data processing, teachers is using factor analytical method. The ICT tools are the latest technology or device and concept used in information and communication technology among the student to teachers interaction, flipped classroom, mobile app and click device. These are the examples. Online presentations tools. An online presentation tool is an application that displays information and graphics in a slideshow format. An online presentation tool is comprised of the three key elements with three basic steps. First step is that text editor. Here you have to just edit your type or content. Second one is import function. Here you have to add graphics and other content. Last one is presentation or slideshow mode. Tie it together with the slick stylish formatting. PowerPoint presentation is the most popular online presentation tools available, with over 500 million users globally used it. With its basic interface, outdated templates and challenging tools, PowerPoint is a far cry from being the best online presentation software. If you are struggling with the excess work that goes into reaching and formatting your presentation in PowerPoint, it's time for changing. Here are the main factors to be considered when looking for great presentation software. Design library. It should offer a large number of templates, images and other media to create your presentation. Features. This is also wonderful and important factor. Rather than just including standard slide, software should offer an alternative formats to share presentation, content and engage audiences. Shareability. For easy collaboration, users should be able to share presentation with other users and allow simultaneous editing. Simplicity. Most users aren't design expert, so software should be simple enough for any person can use it, regardless of their background and colors. Cost. It is the key feature. Find software that fits your budget so you can constantly create presentation. Compatibility. Most people and organizations use the multiple devices, so choose the software that's compatible across device in creating and displaying presentation. It's unlike that you will find software that check all of those boxes but aims to match as many of the factors as possible. Find a software with a great asset than PowerPoint, and you will have tools at hand to create captivating presentation. There are different kind of tools available. I have chosen just 10 tools for my presentation. Among them, first is Focus and Focus is one of the best PowerPoint presentation tools. Focus is a mind mapping principle based presentation maker which contains powerful function. All thoughts in the presentation can be shown on one dimensional zooming canvas, and each element has close linear connection by your design. If you are a teacher but you are not expert at the presentation design, Focus would possibly be first recommended. There are tons of pre-made templates fit to different themes including education, business, technology, and so more. Unlike the traditional linear slide, this presentation making software allow you to create presentation with zooming, panning, and transition effect, which definitely brings an awesome visual experience to your audience. In the process of presentation creation, teacher will be eager to add a variety of media to the projection of attract student focus on your content. In addition, Focus can allow presenters to present their animated video presentation on the online cloud platform, which makes them convenient to custom and share. Most importantly, it is free to use for everyone. When you are ready, you can present directly from Canva. Click on publish and choose the suggested option present. Under the present option, you can further enhance how your presentation will look. Here we will see a small video of Focus how easy to work. SlideDoc is one of the best software of PowerPoint presentation. SlideDoc is a multimedia presentation tools that lets you combine PowerPoint presentations, PDF files, presentations, movie clips, web pages, and more into one innovative, seamless viewing and audience interaction experience. SlideDoc lets you quick to create seamless playlists from your favorite presentation media and make you freedom to present the media content rather than a traditional slide by slide and bullet point presentation. With SlideDoc, teachers are able to combine many more media elements into one easy to create playlist. Beside, the program gives you the power to connect with your audience. Just in a need of a click of a button, you will able to share a live stream of your presentation, and anyone with web browser can join your audience in real time. If you want to add a live chat or discussion to engage participant and collect feedback on your presentation, SlideDoc will also meet your need. Here also we'll see a small video of SlideDoc.
How does it actually work? First of all, let's open up SlideDoc. What you see here is the basic skeleton of the program. To get started, let's drag some files into the playlist. You can also add online content such as web pages and YouTube clips. So now all my files are in the playlist, but they're not in the right order. Let's change that quickly. There, that's all there is to it. We're ready to present. Once we click start, SlideDoc goes into full screen mode, so there's nothing to distract the audience from the presentation in all its glory. When we get to the last slide of this PowerPoint, SlideDoc will switch to the next file in the playlist seamlessly. The cool thing about SlideDoc is that all file types will be shown in their original format and behave exactly as intended. Prezi files will zoom and web pages can be navigated just as you created them. Looks like we're running behind schedule. Luckily, SlideDoc lets you change files to skip ahead or go back. With SlideDoc live sharing, your presentation is no longer limited to the big screen. Your audience can follow your slides directly on their mobile phones, tablets, and PCs. You can also engage them by starting interactive polls, chat with them, and get feedback. And with that, we've reached the end. With SlideDoc, presentations don't have to be complicated. Happy presenting.
HaikuDeck is one of the different kind of tool. HaikuDeck is a very useful for those teachers who are the Royal Mac users. It enable you to create an amazing presentation on the web, iPad and iPhone. HaikuDeck offer a free trial version. You can download this program on its official site following the direction. HaikuDeck clear away the clutter, helping you focus on your key idea to unlock your creative flows. Choose from a range of stylish font, layouts and image filter from the kind of polish that graphic designer charge thousands of dollars to deliver. HaikuDeck's Pro members receive the following features: the ability to create an unlimited number of HaikuDecks, the ability to download deck to PPTX files format, commonly used in modern presentation apps like Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides app and Apple Keynotes. With download files, you can view offline, share through email, edit in other apps, and even change layout, fonts, colors, etc. The ability to create print-friendly handout by exporting to PDF format. The ability to control privacy setting on deck. Haiku deck offer 3 privacy setting. This is one of the best facility provided by the Haiku deck. Public, your deck may appear in gallery or search engine result. It's shown to public. Second one is restricted. Only people with the link can view your deck. Third one is that private. Only you can view your deck and you must be signed yourself. Associate to the Haiku deck Juru Beta. It is new technology that use artificial intelligence to instantly transform your PPTX files into beautiful deck. Some features of Haiku deck: it has unlimited cloud storage, the ability to personalize your Haiku deck with your own branding. Here also we will see a small video of Haiku deck. Let us
software that makes you want to pull out your hair? We were too, which is why we made Haiku Deck, a new approach to presentations that makes it 10 times faster and easier to create presentations that are 10 times better. Unlike other presentation tools, Haiku Deck makes it easy to deliver on the principles of great presentation design. We've all seen slides that are loaded up with too many words and 8-point font that's hard to read. Haiku Deck helps you synthesize your idea by limiting the number of words you can put on each slide. After you enter the text for your slide, Haiku Deck finds the important words and then the perfect image. Users tell us the number one thing they love about Haiku Deck is how easy we make it to find great presentation images. That's because we source our photos from a rich library of over 40 million royalty-free Creative Commons images. After you pick the one you want, Haiku Deck downloads it and automatically includes the license and attribution information. This is a huge time saver. Next, let's pick a layout to move the words to the perfect spot on the slide. Haiku Deck offers dozens of simple layouts, making it easy to get the right look. For list slides like this one, you might want to choose a solid color background instead of a photo background. When it comes to charts, you can struggle with complicated spreadsheet software and then copy it over to your presentation if you want. But Haiku Deck also lets you just draw the chart. Want to make a bar bigger? Just grab the handle and pull. Want to add a bar? Just tap the plus sign. If you want to change to a pie chart, just choose that from the menu. We also offer stat charts for easy infographics that only take a couple seconds to create. Haiku Deck has dozens of professionally designed themes that change the fonts, color palettes for charts, and image filters across your entire deck, so you always have a consistent look. Instead of paying thousands to have a graphic designer make your deck look nice, Haiku Deck just does it for you automatically. To share your deck online, just click the share button. This lets you post to social media like Twitter or Facebook. It lets you share a link in email or even embed in a blog post like this one from famous author Seth Godin. Your Haiku Deck account syncs between the web and our award-winning iPad and iPhone apps too, so you can view, share, and edit your presentations on the go. Haiku Deck Pro subscribers get even more from the app, like one-click audio narration. They also get the ability to download in PPTX format for offline viewing, printing, and editing in other presentation apps like PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google Slides. You can also get PDFs for professional-looking printouts. You can even download presentation videos that you can use in webinars, upload to YouTube, or flipped classroom learning environments. Subscribers can also set advanced privacy controls on their presentations. We know that if you dread making your presentation, your listeners are going to feel the same way about viewing it. Haiku Deck brings the joy back to sharing an idea or telling a great story. So if you want to save time, look like a pro, and feel great about
the next tool is that Go Animation. Go Animate is a wonderful platform for presenting your ideas with a great many of pre-designed themes, props, and characters trailed from making professional presentations rather than just queuing up images in a slide. The teacher can produce a nice look video from scratch in a minute without drawing anything or operating a camera. It is a simple design process. Presenters just need to drag and drop from the extensive content library and forget about recording or editing. You are also allowed to share or publish your finished animated presentation to YouTube. Features of Go Animation: creating high-end explainer video in an easy-to-use studio, tons of templates, and use can storyboard to choose from, easy to use web studio from animating and voice over, professional voice over supporter. Here also we will see a small video of Go Animation. Let us see.
I have a quick solution for you. I'm just demonstrating the lag. As you can see, it makes me pretty upset. But enough stalling. Let's just get on with the video. So what you're first gonna do is go to these three dots and click settings. Then you're gonna scroll down until you find advanced. Then scroll down until you find use hardware acceleration when available. Then you gotta turn it on and click relaunch. Then Chrome should restart itself. Let your Vyond Video Maker load up again. Now you shouldn't have any more lag in your Vyond Video Maker. Let me just load in a character to demonstrate. As you can see, the Video Maker is no longer lagging as much as it did before. Now because the Video Maker is no longer lagging, I am a happy boy. Anyways, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Slideboom is also one of the best tool of PowerPoint presentation. Slideboom is an online platform for creating and sharing PowerPoint presentation that include animations, transitions, audios, videos, and so more. With this service, you will be easier to create web-ready presentation from your PowerPoint files and deliver them to your audience. It is pretty good tools for teachers. Slideboom is a free service for sharing PowerPoint presentation that include animation, transition, audios, videos, flash, and so on. Slideboom offer a unique technology for PowerPoint presentation sharing on the web. Almost all advanced features of PowerPoint presentation are supported, and your presentation at Slideboom will look exactly the same in a PowerPoint. No worries about font, sound, or animation. The second big plus of Slideboom is a free PowerPoint add-in that allow you to upload presentation with audio, video, flash to Slideboom quickly and easily right from your PowerPoint. If you are going to a meeting or a conference, you can leave your laptop and present your slide directly from Slideboom and enjoy an ability to view slide full screen with excellent quality that Slideboom offers to you. Let us see a small video of Slideboom.
Make sure you are signed into your Slideboom account or create an account up here. After you are signed in, you can click the Upload button. Choose your presentation from your files by clicking on the Browse button. After you have picked the presentation, click the Upload button. The site will then take you to a page where you'll edit the information, where you can change the title, description, and topic of your presentation. For our title, we will call it Slideboom How To. Next, in the description, Slideboom Presentation Tool. The topic will be education, the language is in English, and then you will click the Upload button. After it is finished processing, you will see a screen that gives you the option to view the presentation or upload another. We're going to go with View. You'll be taken to a page that has your presentation displayed. You can choose to look at it in full screen or in small screen. The site also provides tools to highlight or write directly onto the presentation with the tools on the bottom of the page. Once you are satisfied with the changes you have made, you can save it, and your presentation can be shared with anyone who has internet access.
बंद कर चल चल बंद कर SlideBean is another software. It is also very easy to use. SlideBean is a tool that make it easier for presentation to create professional looking slides by taking care of the design elements. The software is a collection of design templates, selection of premium fonts and high-end color palettes, and help define the overall design of presentation. The easy to use interface requires presentation to just enter the content and take care of the rest. This allows users with even zero design skill to create impressive slides and is particularly suitable for small medium business that don't have designer required to create rich presentations. SlideBean is a good alternative to PowerPoint and Keynote and others. Many features required to effortlessly create professional presentation. This software includes everything presentation need to get the job done, including professional icon, photos, charts, more. SlideBean work on a very different concept of separating the content from the design. The teacher need to think of the information she want to put on her slide as if writing a draft. SlideBean will then generate an awesome design automatically. This way you can focus on what matters most, your ideas. Features of SlideBean: it is cloud-based, easy sync. It has excellent compatibility. No installation required. Professional templates are fitted there. Automatically formatting system is there. Image and icon gallery is also available. CSV import. Online collaboration, high-end color palettes and premium fonts, Adobe type kits, custom font, tracking functionalities and user insight. Benefits of SlideBean: ease of use and available of professional ready-made templates makes SlideBean a good alternative to other traditional presentation software. It takes care of the design elements and offers seamless online collaboration. The presentations are kept in sync without users' intervention and can be shared with anyone using device of their choice, including smartphones, tablets, and PCs. It saves time and effort required in creating presentation from scratch by providing dozens of ready-made templates created by professionals. The purpose-built templates ensure that the presentation is relevant, matches requirement of business. Being a cloud-based solution, SlideBean can be embedded easily with website using a simple HTML script without requiring any additional plugin or installation. The software is also compatible with any operating system, as all it requires to work is modern browser and internet connectivity. Better compatibility also means that the presentation will look the same regardless of the device being used. Users do not need to install any additional software in order to make SlideBean work, as it based on HTML5 and JavaScript. The presentation can easily be explored into PDF and PPT format, so that are available even when there is no internet service available. A smartphone can be used as a remote control to control presentation flow without any additional software. This makes it easier to manage presentation without any hassle. All the presenters need to get the job done is to be select from pre-filled decks, which also serve a content templates, while the content placeholder can also be replaced easily. The software features all the elements need to easily create professional slide, including titles, text, bullet, quotes, images, fields, icon, videos, charts, tables, and so more. Here also we will see a small video of this best tool.
Dashboard. You can start creating a presentation from scratch or use one of our templates. We have hundreds of templates around many different topics. The template is the structure of the slides, whether that's a pitch deck or a business proposal. We have actually created outlines that you can use and just fill in the blank. The style, the colors, the fonts, you can change all that later with just a click, and we'll get there in a second. Now, when you select a template or you start from scratch, you will eventually land on our editor. The editor is divided into outline and design. Outline lets you add content to your slides without being distracted by how it's going to look. SlideBean arranges that for you automatically, so try to resist the urge to check. You can add all your text, images, charts, videos, and be done in minutes. Once you have the content ready, you can switch to design. Our new AI engine takes the content you created and arranges it for you automatically. If you don't like it, you can click Arrange with AI again, and that'll generate a whole new version. Previous versions are stored if you want to go back. And if you want to do this manually, you can always just drag and resize the elements. Once you're done with the layout, you can change the theme of the slides, which will automatically update all the presentation. Just one click. You can create your own themes based on your company branding or add details to each element. Once you're done, just go back to the dashboard to share or present. We always recommend sharing your presentation with the link, which lets you track the people who saw it or remove access if you no longer want them to be public. If you want to export, you can do so in HTML format, which looks just like the website version, animations and everything. Or you can export that to a static PDF or even a PPT file. Our team is available for live support during working hours, and you can check our YouTube tutorials and our knowledge base.
Canva LMS. Canva LMS is considered to be the fastest growing LMS. Students and teachers alike are empowered by making an engaging learning environment available to them. This open source cloud-based application includes learning tools that cultivate teachers and learners. The Canva Studio allows teachers to engage their students with video-based learning and collaboration tools. Teacher development can also be accelerated using Canva Practice, which is an interactive video platform complete with peer expert feedback and self-reflection features. The Mastery Path feature helps differentiate students' learning pathway more efficiently. All of these and more are provided by a full suite of mobile users app for true mobile learning and teaching experiences. Canva's LMS is integrated student information system, video platform, professional development platform, content management system, and so much more. It can scale with your needs. The platform is also available for desktop as well as online mobile. The platform is available on Apple, Microsoft, or Linux operating system because creating a true and engaging educational experience varies from person to person and from institution to institution. Canva's LMS is offered by a custom-coded based plan. Features of Canva. Canva's LMS is committed to the refinement of the educational experiences shared by its users on its platform. It has been partnering with leading innovation to the help teachers and students succeed. It currently lead in LTI integrated among LMS vendors, but the company is still making more move to improve its service overall. Here are some key benefits that client enjoy today. Comprehensive with no limit integration. Canva LMS is a perfect for blended learning program. Learning institutions enjoy Canva comprehensive feature and how they are contained in just a single platform. Canva LMS help set up initiative with Chromebook and the iPad for more than 50,000 users and integrated its comprehensive educational tools plus their existing student information system. Thanks its open architecture, the possibility of its integrations are limitless. This type of programs are what Canva continue to support and create. With Canva, you can provide a constantly learning experience, especially for K-20 learners. Correct learning pathway. Learning is done differently today and at many times in different setting and device. Student also learn via project. A bubble sheet is not enough to access this type of learning. With Canva LMS, learning here can be showcased via platform and e-portfolio where students' education can be mapped out and curated. Achievement can be compiled including non-traditional evidence of learning that is shareable to future school colleagues and even prospective employees. Used right, this can give teachers conducive path to learn and assess their student development. Also, this gives students to more opportunities for advancement that they clearly deserve. Benefits of Canva enable user to create a variety on brand making material, presentation and social media graphs for organization of any size within any industry. Both professional as well as non-design can use Canva. Drag and drop edit to create high quality web and print media graphic. Canva provides thousands of customizable layout for wide selection of documents such as presentation, newsletters, report, calendars, infographics and more. Canva allow organization to save their brand colors and upload custom logo and font as well as share photo folders and design with teams. Users are able to realize design in a few clicks such as change in Facebook post into full size poster. Here we see a small video of Canva. Let us see a small video.
So here I am in Canva. I'm at canva.com. I'm in my dashboard and let's go and make a presentation. So I have my presentation I'm going to load up and we'll use just one of the standard default designs that they offer here. I like this one here myself. This is basics of being outdoors, and of course I can go ahead and change anything I want about this. Just click on it, write into different text. And say skills we should all know. And let's say I want to add in. I'm going to add in a new page to this, so I'll use that one. I'll hit add new page. We'll add that one in. And I can keep doing that until I'm happy with my presentation. Now, when it comes time to present, of course, I can hit the present button up here, and we'll present it full screen if we want. But when I go to download it, we have the standard PDF. We have the option to download it as various image files. But we also have this new option for video as an MP4. Now, obviously, there's no sound with this, because I haven't added any sound. Let's just download this. It's going to prepare it just like any other Canva presentation or any other Canva item that I make. You can see here, I now have this file, skills we should have. It's an MP4. And we'll double click and open that up. And I'll have a little video that I can play back of my slide presentation. Now, this is something that you might use if you wanted to have your slides looping. And there we go. There's my video. It's going to automatically advance.
Office Sway, it is one of the different kind of PowerPoint presentation tool. Microsoft Office Sway is an Office 365 app that help educators and students to express ideas using an interactive web-based canvas. Sway design engine helps users quickly and easily produce professional, interactive and visually appealing design from images, text, documents, videos, maps and more. Sway is not just a web-based clone of PowerPoint. Sway is designed to be viewed in a scrolling linear fashion, just like a single page website. PowerPoint and Sway are designed to be complementary. You just have to know when to use Sway and where to use turnout PowerPoint presentation. Features of Microsoft Sway. Explore the Sway user's interface. With Sway, you can create interactive reports, presentation, personal stories, and more. You provide the content such as text, images, videos, embedded items, and Sway does the rest, making sure that your finished layout looks beautiful on virtual any device. Sway is a web app that includes these two-level pages. The home page, where you can get tutorials, examples and related links. You don't have to be signed in to Sway to view the home page. Second one is My Sway, which lists all the Sway associated with the account you used to sign in. This includes Sway that you have created and any Sway that have been shared with you. Authoring, the view where you create or edit selected Sway. Play, where you can view your Sway like a slideshow. When authoring is in Sway, you work in 4 main areas. The top navigation bar, this is the first area of Sway, which include play, share and app level option. The second one is the menu bar, which display insert, storyline, where you add, import, edit, format and arrange the content of selected Sway. To add a piece of content, insert a card. To display certain cards together in a finished Sway, make a group. Last one is design, which show you what your finished Sway look like. Here we will show the small video of Sway.
Hi, my name is Brick. Like a brick. The other day I went for a walk along the beach. I want to show you how I shared that experience with my friends using Sway. All I did was add my pictures and video, write a little story, and share a link. It took 5 minutes. Here's how I did it. First, go to sway.com and log in, or create an account. It's free. This is the storyline. It's the framework where we hang all our great content. This is also where we make our structural changes. On the left-hand side is where we can add content from this drop-down insert pane. I want to add these sunset photos that are on OneDrive. Once they are selected, I can click Add, or I can drag them onto the storyline. To see them, I just click here and the storyline slides away. You can also edit in this view. I'd like to make these 3 sunset photos bigger. Now I'd like to add some captions that give a little description to the images. Emphasis is a great way to draw attention to key information. Accent is another, more subtle option to highlight text. Cards help us add structure and interactivity. Let's talk about cards. As you add content directly to the storyline, Sway automatically creates cards. This helps you organize and rearrange quickly. Groups are great for bringing together different types of media. You might want to organize photos in a stack or a slideshow. Let's use a card to add some text. Just drag and drop. You can emphasize, add links, or create lists. For example, items to bring to the beach, a bucket, a shovel, a good attitude. You can bring that with you anywhere. It's true. Now that we have some content, we can change the look. Design gives us lots of options to change the look. Click on one and watch your sway change. Let's look at navigation. We can make our sway vertical by clicking here, or we can make it horizontal by clicking here. Remix is a fast way to cycle through different combinations of design and navigation. We can click on the preview here to see how others will view it. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop, or mobile, Sway automatically adapts to the screen size and device, so it always looks great. We can share it on Facebook, Twitter, grab a link, invite someone to collaborate, or embed it. That was a quick overview of Sway, but it can do way more. Check out the other videos in this series by clicking on the thumbnails.
The next tool is that Google Slide. Google Slide is one of the most popular tool. Using Google Slide, educators can create, edit, and present whenever and wherever they need. This free tool from Google contains a variety of presentation themes, hundreds of fonts, embodied videos, animations, and so more. It gives the teachers the ability to access, create, and edit presentation on the go from a phone, tablet, or computer. Even when there is no connectivity, you can use it. Google Slide has the basic slide presentation features, ranging from the ability to format text and add images to the ability to use layout and the themes. It also includes more advanced presentation tools such as ability to publish to the web and great collaboration features of Google Slide. Dear viewers, here I will show you the video of Google Slide. Let us see a small video of Google Slide.
To begin creating a presentation, you'll need to know the basics of working with slides. The key is understanding how slides, layouts, and placeholders work. Let's take a look at placeholders first. When you start with a new slide, it'll usually include one or more placeholders. You can create a new slide by clicking the New Slide command, or click the drop-down arrow to choose a layout that fits your content. Simply click the placeholder and start typing to add your text. Rather than inserting more slides for the rest of the presentation, I'm going to duplicate this one instead. This can really save you time when the slide you need is similar to what you already have. To duplicate slides, select the one you want to duplicate, right-click the mouse, and choose Duplicate Slide. You can change the order of your slides just as quickly. Just click and drag within the slide navigation pane to the desired position. If you want to remove a slide from your presentation, you can delete it. Simply select the one you want to delete, then press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. Next, let's take a closer look at the slide itself and some of the ways you can customize it. You can quickly alter the layout and color palette of all your slides by changing the theme of the presentation. You can select a theme from the Themes pane on the right. Just click the desired theme and it will be applied to the entire presentation. It's important to know that when switching to a different theme, placeholders will move or resize automatically to fit the new theme, but manually inserted text boxes won't. Placeholders should generally be used whenever possible, rather than inserting new text boxes, to keep a presentation looking consistent. There are still a couple more features that'll let you customize your slides. For example, you can add a background image or change the color. Now you know how to work with slides, placeholders, and layouts, including a few simple tricks for changing your presentation's design.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities.
The next tool is that Image. Image is an online content creation technology which enables educators to create beautiful content design within the minute. While initially just a presentation, Image is now a creation tool for beautiful design, social hub website, blogs, e-cards, and photo albums all in a minute, and it is a free. The features of images are sometimes resources, easy to use platform, let anyone can create and sophisticated presentation in a minute. Monitor and protect your data. It is the best feature of Image. A remote presenting facility is available in Image. Advanced analytical system. It is the best feature of Image. Team management, branding, comprehensive HTML file editor. It is also a good feature. Automatically design. It has a good feature. Let us see a video. Dear viewers, here I would like to share with you a small video of Image. Let us see.
Create a simple Image presentation using some of the basic features of the editor. Click on the large gray button to start a new presentation. Select a template out of the various 2D and 3D templates offered. You'll see a video preview of the templates when you hover above them. Let's pick the newspaper template. Replace the placeholder text with your own content. You can change the font size by dragging the bar on the text menu. To change the text color, click on the font color button in the text menu. You may then pick from one of the available colors in the palette for this theme. You can easily replace the placeholder image with your own by clicking on the Replace Image icon on the image menu or on the image itself. You may upload an image from your computer or paste an image link from the web. You can move any object by dragging it to the desired place. You can resize any object by dragging its handles. To remove any object, just select it and click the delete icon, or simply click the delete button on your keyboard. You may also add a video from YouTube by copying and pasting the video URL. Alternately, you may paste a YouTube video link directly onto the surface of the slide. To add a shape, simply select one of the many options available in the shape gallery. You may then style and color the shape using the shape menu. You can also copy and paste objects inside a slide, in a presentation, or even between different presentations. Select an object, click on the copy icon, go to another slide, and click on the paste button. You can use the keystrokes Ctrl+C and Ctrl+P as well. While editing your presentation, you can quickly preview your work by clicking on the play button.
Thank you for viewing me. I'm very thankful to PVDT College of Education for Women at Mumbai for giving me such a huge opportunity to present myself in a beautiful webinar. I will be pleased if I will be graced by Honorable Dr. Meena Kute ma'am. I would like to express my gratitude towards Honorable Dr. Sanjay Shedmake sir and all the organizing members. And I am also very thankful to all the dignitaries, attendees, academicians, young researchers, educational delegates and professors, students from all over the India to listen me very carefully. Thank you. Thank you very much.